Hey everyone, Double P here and welcome. So in today's trading session, once again, attack NVIDIA. So you can either go short or you can go long on NVIDIA. So let's get into it first. Here's my account, margin account, full margin account. Stock is in real time, Amex, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, all real-time feeds. Equity options, real-time feeds. Futures and futures options. I don't have a subscription for it on this account and I don't need to pay for it. I can find futures in real time on other areas of the platform, which I have. So never let the broker force you to pay for packages that you don't really need if you know how to circumvent, if you know how to navigate through the system, Forex real time, others in real time. So real time account right there. So what do we always do? Well, you see right here, I got the gravity points all drawn out in my real-time trade, and I had support and resistance levels already mapped out prior. So 933 sent out the trade to my guys. This is what I was looking at, 932. The setup was right here. So we took the move right here. That block right there, that's all I cared about. And then the stock... NVIDIA ripped up, right? Bounced and ripped off that channel. So did I panic? I didn't panic. The reason why I didn't panic, because look where NVIDIA is right now. NVIDIA was floating anywhere from pre-market to open. It's about the first 10-15 minutes of the open. It was in negative territory. So I just stayed in the trade. This is a beautiful drop, by the way, but I just stayed in the trade. Let me draw out the channels for you so you see the channel. So I draw it out tight. There's channel one. There's channel one right there. So channel one. This is support, this is resistance, that's resistance, then support, resistance, support. So this is support, 1, 2 times, bounced off of 423.64. Keep in mind this level here, 423.64, that's the level that's very important because that's inside of that box. So when the video opened up, this was basically the box right here. Right, so, and you can draw it yourself. You guys know how to draw the box. But keep in mind, that's the lower end of the box. That's the higher end of the box. Right, that level right there. Very important. So in the video, what did it do? Walked itself up, hit resistance up here, broke through the support, which was resistance. This was the second resistance right here. Broke that and just started walking itself down, and that's where I'm staying in the trade. If I'm not looking at you as I'm talking to you, it's because I got all sorts of screens here, so I got to look at the screens. But that's the first channel right there. If you understand algorithms, you understand how algorithms move, then you'll understand how to trade. So this is the next channel right here. Quite a nice channel, by the way. And that's where this is an escalator to the downside. It's not a ski slope, it's an escalator. So right here on the so far the low of the day right here, or one of the lows of the day before the rip right here, that's where I got out of my position. Either you're going to get out on the high if you're going long, or you're going to get out at the low if you're going short. There's no two ways about it. Was I taking some heat up here? Oh, for sure I was taking some heat. Who cares, right? Because I knew the video was negative for the day. I'm looking at what's going on in the marketplace, and I held my ground. I was down probably about, 18%, minus 20% on this particular trade. And then I just waited because I knew what my support and my resistance levels were. I knew what my gravity points were. I knew what the pivot points were. It's all algorithm. right? This is algorithmic order flow. This is not humans doing this. This is algorithms. You see how orderly this is? Do you see how precise this move is to the downside and to the upside? This is controlled. This is methodical. This is algorithmic. This is all algorithm, right? Today was an algorithm hijack, up and down, in and out. So that's what you have to do. Let's remove this drawing over here. So let me come over here. And then you're going to see the move. Like, this is all algorithm. This whole entire move to where we are right now. You can see it right here. Let me open that up a little bit more for you. And you can see the movement. Like, I'm going to draw the box for you. I'm going to draw the volatility boxes in real time so you can see exactly what's going on and how I know this is, and how you know this is algorithms. There. Look at the moves. Look at the slow, methodical, mid-level consolidation, step up, more consolidation, step up, higher level consolidation, step up, hitting the high right there, walk itself back down. This is all consolidation right here. You want me to draw the channel for you? I'll draw a channel. All right, I'll draw the slope for you after the volatility box so that you can see it. We go from the bottom, we go to the top. See that white channel? So what's that channel? There's 430. 430 to 426 is the top end. 430 to 426 is the top end of that slope, that channel. Then we have mid-level consolidation, which is 427 to 423. And then we have the lower end right here, 423 to 422. And I can do this, let me draw this one right here. Let me draw this right here for you, because that's very important. So you see what happens here? All done. All right. So if you're wondering what I made today, let's have a look at what I made today. Plus 15%, $6,600 today on a trade on NVIDIA, 410 puts. All right. So there we go. So that being said, double P, I will see you in the next trading session. Take care, everybody.